Hi guys, this is just going to be a wee quick one today. As you can see on the table, I've got some flowers outside, trying to get hardened off so I can get them out there. You'll notice that I've cut the grass. From my last video, which would have been on Tuesday, I have cut the grass. I then spent roughly a hell of a long time trying to rake out the moss. Obviously I haven't got it all, as you probably can see. Excuse the washing, by the way. But I done what I could. I mean, it was like do a bit, sit down, do a bit, sit down, do a bit, sit down. It took me ages, man, a couple of days. Anyway, I've got what I could see out, or what would come out, and I've put the grass seed down. The grass seed eventually went down last night, just about 4 o'clock, and it hasn't rained since, but the ground was very, very wet, so I haven't watered it either. So out there I've got asters, and on the table, that's asters and that's dwarf marigolds. I've put all my boxes back over here, getting ready for planting. And I've put some netting on the trellises. It seemed to buckle a lot when I was using the string, so I had to take the string off and put netting on. And basically that's about it. I mean, all of that took me 3 days. In the grow room, I've not got much doing. I've still got my basil there. I'm going to pot up this basil today into some small pots. As you can see the amount of roots that come on the cuttings, so they'll be getting put into some small pots today. This is Nicotiana and Californian poppy. I think the Nicotiana needs potted on, which is going to be going into this seed tray here, these modules here. And that's me out of modules, so I'm going to have to get more modules for. These are pansies, white pansies and coloured pansies. These are Wallarina, haven't got a clue, don't know, it's a flower. And these are some asters that obviously I missed. And I've still got the lobelia in the back. In that tub there, I've got comfrey sprouting from seed. And basically that's it. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be transplanting these into there. I've done what I could outside. And basically, that's it. And I've put Terram along that crappy back fence because the dog, my dog Alfie, likes to bark at everything that walks past, so I'm trying to hide everything from him. But otherwise, everything's starting to kind of show. I mean, it's starting to look as if spring is now here. The trees are starting to bud. The fruit trees that I bought are starting to bud, which I'm really happy about. I've still to put cardboard down around my vegetable park down there where Alfie is right now, and try and get some bark or something to cover the grass with. I've still got that to do. Still loads of work to be done. Looking forward to it. But now that in Scotland we're now allowed to meet up with like two, I can have my 2 daughters up here now, out the back door. Might get Tammy up at the weekend to do some work for me. See, there he's barking. There's nobody at the front door and there's nobody at the back door, but he's barking anyway. Don't know what's wrong with him. Anyway, that's it. Please stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.